पूछे मुझे, कितना साजन तेरा चाहे तुझे। तेरी सहेली मेरी पूछे मुझे, कितना साजन तेरा चाहे तुझे।
ओ नैनों में मेरे, नैनों में मेरे चेहरा तेरा, तेरे हाथों में लाली मेरे नाम की मेहंदी।
मेहंदी तेरावी माड़ेवे ने
once again. Hi, my name is Vinayak. I'm a friend of your father. We met at Dallas at an event, and he said, "Why don't you please come and be a part of this cocktail?" And I said, "I want to extend my service by being the host of the evening." Honored and happy to be here. Thank you, Keshav and family, for inviting me here. Maithili, welcome to the family as well. I hope both of you smile and support each other forever, and fight less, laugh a lot. On that note, handing over the mic to both of you, the newly married couple. Officially start the party, but we'll get to the dance and toast and all later. But for now, a warm welcome and a welcome note from both of you. There you go.
Everyone, thank you for coming. Hope the drinks and the food is all open, so feel free to get the party started.
Yeah. Whoa! Maithili.
Hi everyone, thank you so much for coming. All my family from the US who came, thank you so much for being here, and I hope you guys enjoy today.
Okay.
Just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. Into the eye, baby, dancing in the stars.
The couple to kindly come here towards the stage, and we want to have a small chit chat with you both. Yeah. So ನನಗೆ
so sisters ella they took good care of me, and then now my wife is taking good care of me, so
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಣ್ ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅವ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ.
no, life is good.
Great. So how excited are you about this entire experience of this marriage, both of you? A few words, please.
Definitely very excited, and it's a great experience because we have two different communities, and also we have guests from US. So I'm really excited to have all of you, and thank you very much for taking the pains traveling all the way to India. I hope you, I won't ask you to like it, but it must be an unforgettable experience for you guys. Wait, that's a secret. I'm not going to discuss that. Anyway, so yeah, and Bala, you want to share something?
I thank everyone for coming here and celebrating this happy occasion with us. And it is definitely a very memorable occasion for the entire family and Manju's family, Manju and Keshav's family.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, madam. And yeah, ಜೋರ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಬರಲಿ. And what was the best part about the wedding?
Well, I actually got this part, and I also got the marriage hall. So that-
Fantastic. Fantastic. Okay, what about you, ma'am?
But I need to tell you something.
Sure,
I
go
just
ahead.
got.
So this, if you want to get it, if you want to record something memorable, I think the next moment is going to be the one. So get your cell phones ready, because Mr. Shesh and Keshav, both of you, as you said, I'll let Mr. Shesh start. We want you to toast a drink for the couple, and before that, your emotional note and how do you feel about their marriage and the entire journey, and then the toast. Over to you, sir. There you go.
It's been. I know Nishay for what, last 10 years? Maybe not 10 years, but 8 years. So I've seen Nishay and Maithili be very good friends, and I think that's the very important thing. People start falling in love without being friends first, and that doesn't really work. So I think the recipe for success is be friends first. And they didn't realize, I mean, at one point it's like, we are friends, we are good, so why not, look forward to something else. So I have great confidence in this couple, and of course, the traits also matter. Most level-headed person I've seen, Nishay. I really admire you. Okay.
I'll take the credit for that.
Sure. I mean, I don't want to offend you. You should. I know you. And yeah, I have I have the opportunity to meet Keshav and Manju a couple of times. We went bowling and stuff like that. And she's Manju is great. He's supposed to be very good. Nishtay keeps telling. So I
Even golf? Even golf? Yeah.
Golf.
You're good at golf as well, right? Yeah.
So anyway, back to Nishtay and Maithili. I also have to give a lot of credit to Maithili. She's very mature in the sense, even if she makes mistakes, she learns really fast. And very early in our age, both myself and Bala we used to work, and I put her in daycare. She had some formidable kids. I mean, she was in not been in what was that? Probably 5 years, 6 years. And I happened to just step into that thing, and 2 girls were actually pouncing on her, and she was kicking them. So she learned to be tough. The one thing I notice is I see her apart from most of the girls of her age. They are very narrow-minded. When you can be. You can actually think about yourself first, but maturity and where you are, how you have to deal with people and stuff like that, she learns pretty quick. And I don't particularly get along with her all the time. We have arguments, but we have good arguments. So that way I admire Maithili a lot. And she is a product manager. At this age, these 2 guys are doing excellent in their career.
She's also a rock climber.
Oh yeah. She's a rock climber, yeah. So she'll beat you? No, this guy is unbeatable. Yeah, I need to find out more about Nishtay. Yeah, I beat you in ping pong, man. I remember that. Once, yeah, it will be twice. We'll do that this trip. Okay, all right. That's all I have. Bala, you want to say something about this too?
These two are made for each other, that's what I can say. And they balance one another. And Nishtay is always there for Maithili and Maithili for Nishtay. And it's such a pleasure to the eye to just watch them together. So,
Madam, we want to hear you speak in Telugu. We have a lot of demand for Telugu here.
She can speak Kannada.
Kannada barutte ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ.
Oh, super. Wow. ಬೀಗ್ರುಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಂಜುಳಾ ಅವರು.
తెలుగులో వీళ్ళిద్దరిని చూస్తే చాలా ముచ్చటగా ఉంటుంది. ఒక్కరికి ఒక నాకు సరిగ్గా చాలా ఐ డోంట్ నో వాట్ ఇస్ సే బట్ చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి చూస్తున్నాను దట్ దే ఆర్ quite supportive. They have so many tastes which are similar, and I think this is the best match.
Fantastic. Thank you so much.
Especially Shesh, I think you spoke really well. I don't know if I can beat that. I won't even try. But again, to just so let me switch to Kannada just to change the mood a little bit. So again, Nishchay and Maithili, Ibru ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ they both Ibru complement each other, and that is a very unique thing that is required from a couple. So we only have good things to say about you guys, and we are very happy where you are at this stage of your lives, and we are looking forward to bigger and better things. And again, career agirbodu, more than career, what I like about both of these guys are health, the importance, the value they put on their health, and then helping others. It could be their own friend circles, it could be
Achieve ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. We are really we are grateful that we have Maithili in our family now. I would like to say that I have 2 daughters. ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ
Your daughter is getting jealous when the minute you said that.
I think she should be here.
Yeah, she's right there. Yeah.
And
Yeah.
ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಫುಲ್ ಎಮೋಷನಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಸೊ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಟಾಕ್, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಬೋತ್, and we are looking forward to many more, and Maithili, you're looking beautiful as always, and of course my son too.
ಮಂಜುಳಾ ಮೇಡಮ್, ನೀವು ಕೇಶವ್ ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆಗೆ ಸೊಸೆಯಾಗಿ ಬಂದ್ರಿ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಗೆ ಸೊಸೆಯಾಗಿ.
ನಮ್ಮ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಥರನೇ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅವನು.
ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ತರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ತರ?
All the good qualities.
Really? Anyway, so I was just trying to fish for some compliments to the newly married couple, but anyway.
It's always about
And all of you, make some noise to the newly married couple, and here we are. Second, please, announce the joke. Cheers. Happy married life for Maithili and Nishchay, and all the best.
భలే మంచి రోజు, పసందైన రోజు, వసంతాలు పూచే నేటి రోజు, వసంతాలు పూచే నేటి రోజు, గుండెలోని కోరికలన్నీ గువ్వలుగా ఎగిసిన రోజు, గువ్వలైన ఆ కోరికలే గూటిలోని చేరిన రోజు, గుండెలోని కోరికలన్నీ గూటిలోన చేరిన రోజు, గూటిలోన ఆ కోరికలే గూటిలోన చేరిన రోజు, నింగిలోని అందాలన్నీ ముంగిటలోనే నిరిసిన రోజు, చందమామ అందిన రోజు, బృందావని నవ్విన రోజు, తొలివలపులు చిలికిన రోజు, కులదైవం పలికిన రోజు, చందమామ అందిన రోజు.
We totally improv in that fashion, but this is dedicated to the lovely couple, Maithili and Nishchay. So congrats again, and I think we'll get started.
You want me, I want you, baby. my sugar boo. I'm limited, my Milky Way. We're running, yeah. I got you, moonlight. You're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. You can fly away with me tonight. You can fly away with me tonight. Baby, let me take you for a ride.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, and wishing you a great party. Thank you. Thank you. See you all soon again. Yeah.
ప్రియతమా నన్ను పలకరించు ప్రణయమా అతిథిగా నన్ను చేరుకున్న హృదయమా బ్రతుకులోని బంధమా పలుకలేని భావమా మరువలేని స్నేహమా మరలి రాని నేస్తమా ప్రియతమా ప్రియతమా ప్రియతమా
ప్రియతమా నన్ను పలకరించు ప్రణయమా అతిథిలా నన్ను చేరుకున్న హృదయమా ఎదుట ఉన్న స్వర్గమా చెదిరిపోని స్వప్నమా కనులలోని కావ్యమా కౌగిలింత ప్రాణమా ప్రియతమా ప్రియతమా ప్రియతమా
ప్రియతమా